Final Cut Pro tutorial for beginners is coming up next. This is a quick series of basic video editing in Final Cut Pro, after which you will be ready to edit and publish your first video to YouTube. So, as soon as we open the Final Cut Pro, we see a box to open or create a new library. Or if it is not prompted, then you can create a new library from the menu bar. After clicking on the new, it will ask the location where you want to save the library. And I will recommend you to use an external storage as it takes a lot of space. So let's name the library as Final Cut Pro Tutorials. Now we have got the interface. On the left we have the library, Smart Collections, that includes auto sorting of audio, images and projects, and events. Next to it is Import Media option, while middle is the preview screen. And finally, to the right we have the Properties tab. Here you can change the storage of backups, cached files, which I have set to my external drive. At the bottom is the New Project option. Now, to understand about the project, we will take an example. As you know, in real life we have libraries which consists of different books. So first we have this Final Cut Pro Tutorials library, and inside it we can create multiple projects with different properties. So let's create a new project, and I will name it as Vietnam Clips for Tutorials. Now this project can automatically adjust the video settings based on the first video, or you can also use custom settings where you can set the resolution and other options. After clicking on OK, we have the timeline. So if you click on the project, then at the right you will see the options to modify the settings and all its details. On the bottom right there are audio meters that you can get them from Windows, show in Workspace, and then audio meters. In the next video we will import some clips and will learn about these icons on the Final Cut Pro. Till then, subscribe and bookmark this Final Cut Pro playlist. Goodbye.